In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email campaign in Klaviyo. By the end, you'll have a polished email ready to send or schedule, with all the essentials dialed in for great deliverability and engagement. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and heading to the left sidebar. Open the Campaigns area and click Create Campaign. This is where every new send begins. Next, choose your campaign type. Select Email and continue. Klaviyo supports different channels, but email is perfect for newsletters, announcements, and promotions, and gives you full control over design and timing. You'll now pick a goal so Klaviyo can tailor recommendations. Choose whether you're sending a newsletter, promoting a sale, or sharing an announcement. Selecting the right intent helps keep your content focused and your results easier to measure. It's time to choose your audience. You can target recent subscribers, engaged users, or a specific list or segment. If you want finer control, select other lists and segments to mix and match saved audiences. Targeting engaged subscribers often improves open rates and keeps your sender reputation strong, while a broader list is helpful when you have a major update to share. Next, select or create your email template. You can grab a pre-built layout for speed, or create a new template from scratch. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, and buttons, and make sure your design is easy to scan on mobile. Keep copy concise, use clear calls to action, and double check that images have descriptive alt text. When you're happy, save and continue. Now add your campaign details. Enter a compelling subject line that sets clear expectations, plus short preview text to support it. Add your sender name and sender email. For best deliverability, use a professional business email at your own domain, rather than a free mailbox. If your domain is authenticated in Klaviyo, you'll typically see better inbox placement. Before sending, review everything. Confirm audience size, check smart sending settings so you don't overmessage recent recipients, and scan your email content and subject line for clarity and brand consistency. Fix any warnings Klaviyo flags, and use the preview tools to ensure links work and the layout looks great on both desktop and mobile. When you're ready, choose to send or schedule. You can send now for an instant launch, or set a specific date and time to align with your audience's time zone and behavior. Click to finalize and your campaign is live. That's it. Your email campaign is set up and ready to perform. Thanks for watching.